One of the most remarkable things that His Holiness the Dalai Lama brings to the discourse is that he seems to give a lot of importance to scientific evidence and the voice of reason. And he's always said that in case there's something in the scriptures that might be incongruent with scientific evidence or new discoveries in scientific literature, you should reconsider what is in the scriptures. I think that's a remarkable thing for a religious leader to say.
The words of Holiness were so amazing because they were personally so relevant to me. I think it added to the subject of the book and the inquiry that the book was trying to create. I think it shed a lot of light on that, and personally for me his views were very relevant. I was seeing him for the first time, and I think the program was much more than just a book launch. I think it was personally, spiritually an awakening experience for a lot of people.